you believe that the U.S. will beat China to the moon, to the return?
So I do believe that, and it's great to have the support of President Trump. I spoke to him twice last week. I spoke to him after he returned from his trip from China on this subject itself. Now, America is obviously incredibly advantaged. We've been to the moon before. We did it many times during the Apollo era. We're going back, but we're doing it different this time. We're going back to, of course, build the moon base itself. Now, I would say in terms of constructing the moon base, we're very advantaged. Investments made in years past in what we call our CLIPS program allows us to scale up mass to the surface of the moon. Lots of landers, lots of rovers, test all the things we're going to need to understand from power, communications, navigations. We're very advantaged in terms of building the moon base. When it comes to putting the boots on the moon itself, well, that's a space race. It's going to be very close. I would say our timing right now is before the end of 2028. The Chinese have said they're going to put their technauts on the moon before 2030. That means sometime in 2029. It means this race is going to come down to months, not years.
So are you seeing any evidence that China could surprise us and beat us to it?
I would just say it's a very close race, Maria. I mean, they just announced in response to our ignition program. So the NASA ignition program is how we intend to meet President Trump's national space policy. Just a few weeks after that, the Chinese came out with their own grand reorganization strategy to move even faster. So they're combining their civil and their military space programs to have more resources and more agility. Now, I would say I'm not sure there was always a distinction truly between their civil and their military space programs in the past, but the bottom line is the Chinese are responding and they're moving.